I'm fully tapping into someone that has shifted. You are truly unleashing your true potential. This 1111 portal left some marks, I'm hearing, as you are really understanding the wheel of karma, the wheel. I'm hearing the pattern of your life that has been trapping you for so long. You're ready to take action. You're really ready to move forward. You're most definitively ready to let your past behind you. And it's very courageous, I'm hearing, because you are realizing that you were wrong your entire life, and you used to do action, really take action in the wrong way. You used to manifest from the wrong perspective, right? When we are still into this wheel of traumas where we manifest from the wounded self, we're not aligned in our true authentic destiny. God has a plan, I'm hearing, for you since the beginning. And this is only now that you can tap into it. You can fully see beyond the veil, and you're ready again, I'm hearing, to take action, to leave the past behind once and for all, once and for eternity. If you're manifesting from the wounded perspective, means that you're trapped into this trauma cycle, souvenir, emotional, deep emotional memories. You're not allowing your Kundalini, your serpent fire, to rise up to your spine and explode here on your third eyes, as your Kundalini is going to be blocked at certain level. It might be blocking on your sacral, it might be blocking on your heart space or on your throat chakra, and it's not fully growing and coming in order to release the sacred secretion in your third eye, for you to renew yourself, for you to upgrade your system, for you to raise the next state of consciousness, which is growth for your soul. Okay, that's why you're going to be stagnant, right? And this is what is going to cause any type of depression. Deep rest. You need to rest for on the time and trust the process. When you're into a depression state of mind, it's because you need to take a rest from your old self. You used to pretend, you used to wear so much masks, the false belief, the false self. You used to embody it for 5 on the timer. You're here to change, and you're definitively taking some action to change. Again, this 1111 portal, there is no way back. Something shifted, something happened, and you cannot. It's like you already made the choice. You already took this red pill, and you cannot go back to ignorance. It is just not possible. Now you have to act from a place of vulnerability and courage. You're protected by God. You're chosen. You have a real mission here, divine mission on this planet. Yeah, someone needs really a big rest from their old self. You used to lie to yourself. You used to lie to others your entire life because you used to be brainwashed by your childhood parent, toxic parents, school, whatever it is. I'm hearing siblings. They built a faux self, and you're now seeing clearly abandonment issues, suffer from a big abandonment. Yes, your parent abandoned you, but you did it for yourself, right? At some point of your life, I have peace here. This is what you crave, peace. and you always wanted this peace. But to do so, it's as if you made a promise to your inner child, or when you were a child, you made this promise that, or you had this dream like, one day when I will be an adult or something like that, I will be having this beautiful life, peaceful life, serene life, tranquil life. And you were wrong in the process of making this peace happen. I'm hearing a lot of lies. I keep hearing lies. So I don't know if you lied to somebody, you pretend to be someone, and you're realizing that even yourself, you're not this person, and now you're broken or something. It's time. Yeah, something new is coming. Definitely. A new page is here for you to write your own personal story. You matter, your traumas matter. I am here on this planet. My name is Sophia. I am a mental health counselor, a trauma expert, a master, a Kundalini master. I am deeply passionate with people traumas. I am literally here building a new project. So you cannot find my website for the moment. I'm really brewing something that will help you shift your reality. I'm preparing some courses, some masterclass, some coaching, mentorship, some digital session. You want to take your traumas and smash them and also love them, because this is what will make you a different and unique person. You just need to understand that you're not your thought. It is not because you've been through these memories, this traumatic event, or also inherit some deep traumatic event, that you're destined to carry it into your DNA. I am here to help you transmute and rewrite your story to align with your highest timeline. Yeah, I got very interesting. I got elevation. That's why we were saying stagnation. You're bored about being stagnant, and that's why the universe, God, source, frequency heard you, and you're now about to tap into, this is a sign card, you're about to tap into your true authentic destiny. What I'm hearing with this card is like, you are done. Literally, you're done. You're so done that there is something within you. I don't know if it's your God self, your higher self, but something within you literally heard your call. And yeah, it's a 3-3. You're going to manifest this new life. You went through a massive Kundalini awakening, and you're now seeing the reality completely differently. You are literally escaping the old belief system that used to trap you. You're ready to take action. I cannot make this up. This is the Queen of Wands. You're ready to shoot your arrow and to hit this inner peace that we're talking about, to hit the sun. And I got the Magician. You have so much tools, so many tools. You are fully equipped, I'm hearing, to, you're about to be unrecognizable. That's what I'm hearing. And I cannot make this up. You're so protected. Like God has your back since the beginning. And you see these little fairies, not only God, but you're so surrounded by love. I mean, I'm also hearing, and we got the 10 of Pentacles. You see, you're here to build your legacy, and you are now fully stepping into that divine power. I was hearing that do not worry again about the how, and this is so beautiful. It's like this beautiful holographic world that God right now is putting into my mind's eye as a vision. It's as if do not worry, the details are as like the way you're going to build your life progressively. You will find also all the tools you will need. So You do not have all the tools now, but the more you take action, the more you're going to find anything that you need to build this legacy. This is a very powerful message for someone. Do not worry. God has your back. Do you see this light? You have so much protection. You just have to act from a place of trust. I got here the 10 of Swords. You are tired of your old self. It's like, it's as if you have a sort of, I'm hearing hate, because what you hate, which is the same for me as love, you know, is the same frequency basically, but not on the same vibration. But basically, you hate this old version. You cannot see this old self anymore. And that's why it's divine timing. This 11:11 portal just happened and smashed, transmuted, banished this old self for you to have full blank page. And it was 3:14 on the screen. Again, this is Sekhmet. This is so protected energy. You're so protected against the snakes, the one that are trying to swap destiny. I'm hearing copycat, the one that try to separate you from your loved one or stuff like that. You're so protected, yet they want what you have. They're jealous, they're envious, because you got promised an amazing, fulfilled life. I cannot make this up. God is going to surprise you very soon because you worked so hard. And I'm saying the truth. And we have 2 aces. We have 2 aces. Massive truth coming through a gift. You're beautiful. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. I know it's a challenging time, but you're so protected. Until next time. Yoko e dreyo yo no totori yo so akatrayaso. Namaste.